Well, YouTube, it's 1-2 Alex here, and in iOS 6 there is a new app called Passbook. This is beta 2 iOS 6, and currently it doesn't look like it's active. But what you can actually do is that there's a website on Safari which lets you sort of make fake passes, so you can just try it out, see how it all works. So you need to go to this address, passsource.com. So it's still an alpha, so it's like beta. So you can create free passes. There's loads of styles. If you go back into the Passbook app, you can see it matches what they advertise. So we'll just press boarding pass. You can change the date, locations, the airport or air company's name, the logo text, the background colour, the foreground colour, which is basically the writing, the barcode message, what type of barcode format you want, the transit type. There's quite a few options here for this particular option, which is a boarding pass, of course. The departure city name and the airport departure code. New York, JFK, arrival code, passenger name. So you can change the boarding time, but don't change like the keys or stuff, just change the values, otherwise it won't be able to download them. There's quite a few options here. Flight number and name. Coach, you can change that to first class or economy. The date, and that's that one. Then on the back you can change your passport nationality, where you live, all the terms and conditions. These are just supplied for you, but you can change them, of course. Then there's create button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change a few of these. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to today's date. So it's 2012 06 29. I'll leave the time as is. I'm not going to bother about the location. Let's change the organisation name to 1 SA Airways, which is my YouTube initials. Then the logo text will do the same thing. Now if I press set, this is HTML5, so it supports the iPhone. Let's go change it to blue. I'm going to do about this here. You press done, and I'm going to leave the writing white. And we're going to change this to a QR code. Right. I'm going to change this now, which is SFO JFK, so that's San Francisco to New York. I'm going to change it to London Heathrow to New York. Then put that date in that I put in again, which is 06 29. And I'll leave the time the same. Barcode message, so I'll just say LHR to JFK. Gate, value, let's put 631, just number I thought of. Departure, London's is LHR, as I've said several times. Then New York I can leave the same. Passenger name. 1 Super Alex. Departure time. Why not 12 o'clock AM, hey? Don't see any problem there. Flight name. We'll do 6:31 again. Then we'll do first class for the coach. The date is 6/29. Backfields. I'm going to put British English. I'm not going to put my address in, I'm just going to leave that the same. The terms and conditions I won't change. And once you've done that, you press create. Okay, I don't know what's happened there. I've not changed anything. This is what happens when you mess it up. You need to really be careful what you do. I'm just going to refresh it. What I'll do is I'll do the same thing again and I'll be right back. There we go. I must have put one of the values wrong. I might have taken out one of the speech marks or something. You see, it all counts. So now I'm going to press create. There we go, that's right this time. So there's 1SA Airways, there's the QR code. LHR, passenger 1 Super Alex, flight 6:31, first class, date 6/29, which is today, gate 6:31, flight 6:31, depart at 12 AM, London LHR to New York JFK. So press add. That's added it to Passbook. There it is. Then, when you want to delete it, well, actually first, I've also got the passport, the residence, which I didn't change, all the terms and conditions, which I've written on the back. Then you got links where you can change it here. And the cool thing with Passbook is the deleting. Apple showed this at WWDC. Now this is knife and force, so the graphics are a little slower, but you get a little shredder when you press delete, so I've pressed delete. That animation was actually smoother than my previous ones. Don't know what's happened there. But yeah, that's how it works. You can create whatever you want. There's loads of different themes which I can show you. You got all of these. GameStop Power Up rewards card is really good. You can just, if you have a look at it, what you can do is you can just put free games for life and put your name on, and it looks pretty cool. And there's a pharmacy one somewhere. I think it's that one, and you can put something like free medication for life, put your name, birth date in and stuff like that. It's really funny. So yeah, there are loads that you can have a bit of fun with, and of course it's all free. It's just to get an idea of how Passbook's going to work. Anyway, that's 1 Super Alex with a demonstration of how to create Passbook events and tickets with iOS 6. This is beta 2, and Passbook. You wouldn't think it is working, but if you try this out, it will work, as they've shown at WWDC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.